Good morning, students. In the previous video, we are discussing about the food and clothing. Today, we are discussing about, in the previous class, we are discussing about the food. In today's class, we are discussing about the clothing. So, early humans covered their bodies with the leaves, skins, barks of trees, and as well as fur of the animals. These are the food and the clothing of the early humans. Next, move to the next slide. Their shelter and clothes. We have to know about it. Early humans, where early humans has to be lived. So, for saving himself from the wild animals and as well as from the rain, they were living in the caves. And what kind of clothes they were wearing? Because at that time, early humans did not have any idea. The clothes that we are wear today, they were not wearing in that type of clothes. So their basically source are their clothes were made up of leaves, animal hides, grasses. These were helpful for saving them from the hot and the cold. This was the shelter and the clothes of the early humans. Next, move to the next one. These are the caves where the early humans are live in the caves, trees. After passing the time, they were moved to the trees to caves. In early periods, humans lived on the trees for their own protections. They hide into leaves to protect them from the animals. Then there was a problem to live on the trees, so that they were, after passing of time, they just moved to the cave, because in trees it's very difficult to live on them. That's why they are, after passing of time, they were moved to the trees to the caves. I hope it's clear to all of you. Now, what kind of tools they were made? So basically they use stone tools which are made up of the bones of animals, and their quality is not very good, but ठीक है, काम चल जाता था उनका. That's why they were used this kind of tools. These are the tools that were made with the help of the stone at that time. See early humans how they were made the tools. Now, tools making technique. At that time, in Paleolithic period, there are two types of tools making technique. The first one is stone on stone, and the second one is the pressure flaking. I will explain you what is stone on stone. एक स्टोन दूसरे स्टोन पे जब हम रब करते हैं, उस टेक्निक को जब फायर डिस्कवर्ड हुआ था, दैट वाज द टूल्स मेकिंग टेक्निक, कि जब हम स्टोन को रब करते हैं तो हम उसका शेप जो है कि बनाएं. सो इन दिस वे दे वर मेकिंग द टूल्स. सेकंड वन इज द प्रेशर फ्लेकिंग. टू मेक द स्टोन मोर शार्प, नोकीला बनाने के लिए वो क्या करते थे, जस्ट रब द एज ऑफ द स्टोन to make the stone very sharp, so that they can use for digging the things from the ground. Now move to the next one. These are the tools that were made from the bones of the animals. See, these are the tools that are made with the bones of the animals at that time. Now, discovery of fire. As I told you in the earlier video, fire, the discovery of fire is done by the accident way. The invention of fire is accidental, which is prove a major boost for the early women. Yes, it's a boom for early women, because फायर की डिस्कवरी होने के बाद उन्हें कितनी चीज़ों का फायदा हो गया. दे एट रॉ मीट, बट आफ्टर डिस्कवरी ऑफ फायर उन्हें मीट कुक करने के बाद वो स्मूथ हो गया, जिससे उन्हें खाने में बहुत आसानी हो गई. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स अ बूम टू द humans. Now, discovery of fire was a milestone with the development of human life. For this, the piece of stone, another piece of stone, human discovered the fire. We all know that how the discovery of fire will be invented. दो स्टोन लेके उसे रब किए तो जो है कि इस तरह जो है कि स्टोन्स की क्या हुए, डिस्कवरी हुई. So these are the, sorry student, by mistake I just said you कि स्टोन की डिस्कवरी. नो, जब हमने दो स्टोन को रब किया तो चिंगारी जो है कि निकली, इससे हमारा जो फायर था वो इन्वेंट हुआ. इन्वेंशन ऑफ फायर इस प्रकार हुआ. दैट वाज द डिस्कवरी ऑफ द फायर. यू कैन सी द फिगर. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. अभी तक हमने So students, अभी तक हमने पैलियोलिथिक एज के बारे में पढ़ा था. Now we will discuss about the Mesolithic age. Mesolithic, it is a combination of two words, Mesolithic. Meso means middle and lithic means stone. It's a middle stone age which are around 10,000 to 8,000 BCE. People moved out of the caves to build their house. This is the period when the early humans are moved out to the caves and build their huts. I hope you all are clear what is the meaning of huts. Now, pause करिए. We have to know about what is Mesolithic period. Mesolithic is a middle stone age period which were around 11,000 to 6,000 BC. I told you earlier, the name Mesolithic comes from the two separate words, Mesos and Lithos. Mesos means middle and Lithos means stone. Mesolithic is a period of transition from old stone age to the new stone age. So I hope you all were clear about this. Now we have to know about what were the feature of Mesolithic period. So the first feature is during this age humans learns to make the better tools. In this period humans are learn how to make the tools in a better way. The second one is these tools were more delicate as compared to the tools of the Paleolithic period, and they made flake tools such as scrapers, knives. I hope you all know about what is the meaning of scrapers. Scrapers is a tool which is used for the digging the things from the ground. So these tools, flake means nokile. These are the tools like scrapers and knives which were made in this period. Fourth one is they started to make smaller and sharper tools which are known as microhithics. These tools are known as microhithics. Come to the next one. So these are the tools which are used in the Mesolithic age. The first one is your bones, blades, knives, chisels, stringers. All these tools which is made in the Mesolithic age. These are the tools which are used at that time. Now Neolithic. अभी तक हमने मेसोलिथिक की बात की. Now we will turn to the Neolithic age. जैसा कि नाम से लग रहा है, Neo means new. This is the period of new stone age where early humans are made all the things. अभी तक उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया था. अब धीरे धीरे उनका क्या हो रहा है? डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है. They will know about the agriculture, domesticated storehouses, land, breweries, loom, village. All these things they know about it और वो उसे यूज करते जा रहे हैं. देखो पैलियोलिथिक, मेसोलिथिक, लियोलिथिक. अब अर्ली ह्यूमंस धीरे धीरे क्या हो रहे हैं? डेवलप वे में हो रहे हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ नियोलिथिक एज? इन दिस पीरियड इट इज यूज्ड पॉलिश एंड ब्लेडेड स्टोन. जब उन्हें दिक्कतें आना स्टार्ट हुई तब उन्होंने धीरे धीरे और अपने दिमाग को इन्वेंट किया और धीरे धीरे वो किस टाइप के टूल्स बनाने लगे? पॉलिश एंड ब्लेडेड टूल्स. Then started agriculture because in a Paleolithic and Mesolithic they did not have any idea about the agriculture. But in this period they have an idea of agriculture, how the crops has to be grown. So in this period they have the idea of agriculture. More sedimentary life, stay in fixed place, able to build the cities. In this period the early humans are more sedimentary. Now I hope you all will clear about the concept of stone age, that is Paleolithic, Neolithic and Mesolithic. Students, Neolithic हमने कम पढ़ा है. In the coming chapter, in your chapter 3, we will discuss in detail